Hello peeps. Not really done much. Well, built two cars, as you may have seen. Sierra and an Escort. But truck wise haven't done much. Just tinkering today. Tidying up, and Tim sent me some trailer detail parts a little while ago, which I'm just getting round to trying to, fit in. See if I can show you them fitted. Get a bit of light in there, you might see what we're doing. It's the MOT board and the brakes. Just a bit of detailing. I've only stuck them on there and on the tipper trailer, but it's on the other side so you can't see it. I just realised that cable's under there. Oh, that's no good, is it? I'll move that in a minute. Whilst tidying, I've just found a couple of mud flaps I took off of something, which was wrong. That's why I took them off. I think it was on Scania for some reason. So, might fit them on one of the night haulers. They're more likely to have a cat engine than a Scania, that's for sure. Still keep looking at this and still can't be asked to do anything with it. Which is a shame, because it turned out to be a nice build in the end, and I did like it. Even though it was, I bought the back cheap off of eBay, the bed bit, which is Lisu. It's all metal. The rails underneath was both the same side, so one was wrong, but I've adapted it, I've got it to work, and I made all the rest up from stuff I had laying around, really. So it was a fairly cheap build. And then I decided to put that beer system in it, and then I lost interest. And I can't get the interest back. It's just that system. It's just, I don't know. One day maybe. I keep saying I'm going to send it to Adam at Model Lighting Solutions, sort it out, but it's got to get all the bubble wrap to wrap it, and then a box to put it all in and send it, and I've just completely lost interest in it. What else? Nothing else really. Haven't really done anything else. So let's pop you back on a tripod. I'll get one of the night haulers down. Just have to move a ton of shit to get to it. I was going to do a video today of trucks driving about, but the weather's playing up again. It's not very good. Right, what one are we going for? If I can get one out. I think they're still hooked onto a trailer, that thing. That's hooked onto a lot. Oh. See, they're different mud flaps, aren't they? Because they have the 3 tiny holes, not the 3 big holes. So I might just have to say, no, Pedro, and not use them. Yeah, they won't look right on there. They won't look right on anything I've got now, apart from an American, and they have different I guess I might be able to put them on the back of. No, I don't want them on the Mac. Well, that's another boring video, isn't it? Just me being very incisive again. Oh, I did stick, I found an old ball bar, crash bar, whatever you want to call it. I've always called them ball bars. But I found an old one which I've put on the front of the kind of modded night hauler. Don't look too bad on there actually. That one ain't got any on at all. They won't look right on them, because there's no way you'd get a Caterpillar engine in a Scania or a Mercedes. So a couple of freebies for someone maybe. Yeah. Right, forget that idea. What about on? What about? They won't fit on any of them, so I don't know if they go on the back of that army truck. Don't think they will. Yeah, let's forget that idea and move on to another idea. Another brainwave. Oh, I bought some 3D printed wheel chocks off of eBay. My advice to anyone looking, don't bother. They're not very good. They're good to look at as wheel chocks, nothing wrong with them as wheel chocks, as you can see. They look alright. Problem is, when you put a tyre under them, you can't really see that. You can see that though. And they're too slippery, so they wouldn't hold shit. They just push out of the way. But they're not the right curvature for the tyre. They hit the top and it hits the bottom, but not in the middle. See the gap? So it's just on the two edges. And like I say, they're very slippery. So for show they're alright, but to actually work, they're cack. Where the Tamiya ones don't look brilliant, but there's plenty of grip on them because they're rubber. and they do actually fit the tyre, so they do actually work. They don't look brilliant, but they work. The other set I've just bought, I haven't even tried yet. Let's see what they look like. They're a nice set. They're all metal. You get different, either two of them to put them in, or you get a double one. So they just slide in. Not sure what way they slide in. Again, they're slippery, but you could put something on the bottom or rough them up a bit. I think they're more for show than anything, but they do look nice. They're quite... the fit is perfect, again. No gap at all. So on something, I think you'd have to paint them. Although I do like the bare metal look. Look quite nice. Whether just as a single or even as a double. Would work. You can fold the tabs out yourself. Blue Peter is one I done earlier. I think that goes like that. So, yeah, a nice set. More detailing, and anyone that knows me knows I love details. Just a little silly little sticker somewhere can make a world of difference to a model. It's surprising how much difference it can make. See that works. That works a lot better. That don't work at all. Yeah, what was I saying? Detailing. Details make it your model. We've all built kit models. We all adapt them to make them look our own, but it's the little details you add to make them look not just your own, but to give them that little bit of realism. As I say, it could be something simple as a little sticker somewhere. It could be what I've just added on that trailer, like a little 3D printed. It's basically just a flat bit of plastic. It's painted, it's got lines on it, it looks like it's the MOT board or MOT certificate for the trailer, the licence, whatever it is. And then the other bit is the parking brakes, or the shunting brakes. But it's detail. They don't do nothing, they serve no purpose whatsoever, but it's detail. It makes it look more real. And after all, the amount of money we spend on these things, you want it, well, I want it to look as real as possible. I don't really do bling bling, although apparently I've got one bling truck. I don't consider it that bling myself, but because you have to go digging to find all the bling, which sort of defeats the object. Because to me, bling jumps in your face. It says, look at me. I don't really do that. I like workhorses. I like what you'd see, maybe not every day, but you'd see them driving down the road doing a job. not just when you go to shows. Hence why I don't do bling. Most of mine are just, I wouldn't say they're just normal kit builds, because they're not. But saying that, I have done quite a few kits, and still standard kits. I mean, I'm looking at what, 1, 2, 3, 4 just from this chair. That is just a bulk standard kit build. I'm looking at many more that ain't, but that's besides the point. But even just a kit build, anyone who builds their first one should just build a kit. Don't try and get flash and, oh yeah, I can do this, I can do that. You can do that afterwards. Just build the kit and enjoy it, and then add to it, and then if need be, if you don't want to buy a second one, then start taking bits off and adding bits and making it custom. But there's too many people who think they're something they're not. Let's just put it that way. Who come into an hobby and think they're the dog's danglies from the go. Alright, if you're a millionaire, you can waste a few £100 if it goes wrong. I'm not, and I don't know many people that are, so buy a kit, build the kit, enjoy the build. I love the build part. Run it, get used to it, then customise it. Or, which most people do, is buy a second one and then customise that. I actually, a King Hauler Scania. I think I didn't do custom until about my 3rd or 4th truck. First 2 was, first 3 actually. King Hauler was first. Then I think Scania 4x2. Can't remember. It was a long time ago, but I'm pretty sure the first 3 I built was just straight kit builds, nothing special. Added different stickers, added a few details, but just straight out of the box. And then my 4th one was the Mercedes, the orange cabbed Mercedes 8x4, which I'm now looking for and can't find, but it's here somewhere. Well, I hope it's here somewhere. Oh yeah, it's beyond that. Yeah, it's up there. Which was my first attempt. Let's see if I can do twin steer. This is before the days where you could go on the internet and buy all the kit. This is when you had to, if you wanted something, you had to make it, or come up with it, or buy it off of someone who'd already made it. But it was nothing on eBay and all that for them. Not like now. There's so many. It's 3 or 4 different companies that actually make the kits, and you just bolt it straight to the side, which is good, but in some ways it's not good, because it takes the fun out of, oh, I've got to figure this out for myself. You ain't got to figure it out for yourself no more. You just buy it and plonk it on. Although some of them don't come with instructions, so yeah, it's not a case of just plonking them on, is it? It's just trying to figure out how to bloody hell to plonk them on. But you know what I mean. Yeah, I've got nothing else to do now then. Fit these on something, but I'm not sure what yet. I actually bought them to put on my tipper trailer, but there's no room on the side of that to put anything. Which is a bit weird, but there you go. Yes, I'll stick them on the back of the wheel arches, but I think they'd look a bit stupid there. I'll figure something out. I think the tanker trailers have got them. Oh, that new one I've just built with the sides hasn't got any. I could put them on there, I guess. Don't know, figure something out. I might actually stick them on the sticker set on the rigid tipper. Don't know, I'll have to think. If I come up with an idea, I'll come back. If not, I won't. That makes sense. Because at this precise moment, I don't know what to do now. Because I can't do what I was going to do, which was fit these. Because they're the wrong... They fit on Euro trucks. So why would someone put... I don't know, these come off of... I think they come off of Scania I bought for parts. Why would you put Caterpillar stickers on a Euro truck? Don't know, makes no sense to me, but probably made sense to someone. Yes, don't know, might be back, might not be. I'm back. On another note, these are they JST, I think they're called? Yeah, I'm sure they're JST leads. I bought these off of eBay, of course. Be careful, because they're all wired the wrong way round. I will show you the correct way of wiring. Bought from the component shop. These will only go in one way, if you know, because there's like a little lip bit in there. See the problem? We have red to black. So be careful when you buy things off of eBay or anywhere, because whoever made this lot up is a dickhead, because every one of them is the wrong way round. Oh, you can quite easily just wire something up, plug it in and blow it because of some dickhead wasn't concentrating doing his job. I'm sure he's very happy to be taking home his wages, but don't give a shit about the job he's doing. That could cost you a fortune. So, little word of warning. That's what I'm here for, apparently. Help and advice. I like giving help and advice if I can, when I can. Won't give help and advice on anything I don't know shit about, because I will tell you, sorry, don't know shit about that. Don't like the people that do either, because again they end up costing you money. We need to save money if we can, not bloody cost money, especially to give it to someone else who's already got plenty. Right, I'm going again, because I'm still sitting here with I don't know what to do. I was going to wire something up, but then I figured that out, so I'll have to sort something else out. And I'm speaking to Mr. Bundy at the moment, so don't know what's going to happen. I might do something, might not do something, we'll see.